Idol Raffy, binanatan ang CAAP na saan na daw ang panggamit para maiwasan ang bird hit. Panurin natin ang plenary sa Senate Office.
The bird strike. February 2019, Cebu Pacific stands passengers in Calibo Airport as a result of bird strike. And recently, this year, September 2022, sa Maylawag, nagkaroon din po ng bird strike again sa isang aeroplano. Noong 2011, nag-promise po ang CAAP na magkakaroon po na sila ng tinatawag na Bird Avoidance Technology. So, hindi po kung gaano kapanganib ito. Ito pong magkaroon po ng bird hit. Buti naman po sa awa ng Panginoon, wala pa po nagka-crash na aeroplano sa akin, pero sa ibang bansa, marami na po nag-crash na aeroplano dahil po sa tinatawag na bird hit. Yung mga ibon na pumapasok po sa engine, mid-flight, nagka-crash po yung aeroplano dahil hindi kaya ng engine na tumakbo pa at nandun po yung ibon na nakaharang sa loob ng engine. So what is being done? At what happened po dito sa Bird Avoidance Technology ng CAAP, nasaan na po yun?
CAAP and the secretary. And this is a legitimate concern again because our country actually has certain areas where birds naturally migrate. No, andun sila. So number one is for them to manage the ground itself, kung saan yung mga ibon mismo. And they've hired an expert in the scientific term is ornithologist. Okay? So ito po yung mga nakakaintindi ng mga ibon, yung kanilang migratory patterns. Tapos po, meron din silang ginagamit na teknolohiya, sound technology, I supposed to drive the birds away from certain areas. Now, I asked them also, Mr. President, if this is employed in all airports. Unfortunately, it is only specific airports that have that technology because they are these airports like Puerto Princesa or even here in Metro Manila where there is a big avian population. So, hindi naman po lahat ng lugar meron, but they will endeavor to train all CAAP officials in all the airports to have knowledge on how to deal with these migratory birds. But right now po, again, to answer your question, airports that are most visited by these birds have that technology.
Can we see that sound technology na sinasabi po ng DOTR? Can you show it to us?
Can you show it to us or can we hear it? O baka tao lang yan na
Oo nga, baka tao na sumisigaw, pumapalakpak. I mean, really, kasi ako, hindi ko pa nakita yan. Paano ba yan? How does it work? At pwede bang subukan yan? I-demo sa atin kung talaga it works. Kasi, Madam President, Madam Chair, Mr. President, once sa NAIA, meron po ako nakita na, I don't know what kind of bird was it, puti, tatlo sila, heron ata yun. Medyo kinabahan ako. Paris po, I think Philippine Airlines po yung sakay ko from NAIA, and I was going to Davao. Ang haba ng pila ng aeroplano. And then may nakita ako tatlong bird, tinuro ko sa wife ko. Ako, mukhang delikado. Hindi alam ng wife ko yung tinatawag na bird strike. Pinento ko sa kanya, kinabahan na rin siya. Sabi ko, umalis ka dyan. Sabi ko sa isip ko, ibon, umalis ka dyan. And hanggang sa makatay ko kami, nandun lang ibon. Nung nasa taas na kami, titignan ko, nandun pa rin ibon. Sabi ko, salamat. Pero kawawa naman yung mga susunod. So what I'm trying to say is, nasaan yung tinatawag na bird avoidance technology o sound technology? Eh kung meron sound technology, sana yung tatlong ibon na nandoon na nakita ko, sana umalis na yon. Bakit nandoon pa rin, naka-steady? So mukhang hindi ata nag-work itong sound technology. So we need to see if it's really working or baka drawing lang.
May I ask, Mr. President, when the good senator was in the airport and he saw it,
I think this was last year sometime.
Okay. May we request the DOTR then perhaps submit a photo, if not the actual instrument? Would that satisfy the senator to see that?
No, I'm not satisfied. I will not be satisfied. Maging satisfied ako kapag ako po ay pupunta doon sa airport at makikita ng mismong dalawang mata ko, how does it work?
Okay.
Na merong ibon dyan nagkataon and then Patulugin natin yung sound technology. Tingnan natin kung talagang lalayas yung mga ibon. Like what I said, I think this was sometime in November last year, nandun po yung 3 ibon. Nakalipad na kami, hindi po lumilipad yung ibon. Nakasteady lang kumakain-kain doon sa damo. Tumutuka-tuka.
Okay, so Mr. President, of course, we cannot demonstrate to you at this time, but maybe we can move on pending them inviting you to view this technology.
Very good. Very well.
Ito na, ha?
Okay na tayo dyan. Now, ilan po bang eroplano ang lumalapag at lumilipad sa ating mga airport? Because meron po tayong 3 terminal na yung 1, 2, 3, and then 1 domestic. And yet, 2 lang po ating runway. It's not enough. We know that for a fact. Ilang beses ko na po nasubukan na dahil yung traffic po sa airport ay talagang matindi. Sa pila po sa taas pa ikot-ikot, pang-8 po kami. Nandun po yung kaba ng lahat ng pasahero. So, just imagine, 8 airplanes, umiikot-ikot, different siguro yung heights. Meron yung nasa 10,000, 5,000, meron sa 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I don't know. Paano pa kaya napajambul-jambul yan ng control tower na hindi magkakabanggaan? Pero nandun po yung risk. Do you agree with me? Na yung mga aeroplano, nag-iikot-ikot doon dahil hindi makalanding sapagkat congested yung airport sa baba. Wala ba tayong magawa na para yung ating mga runway madagdagan man lang? Kasi it's been like this for a long, long time. Ano po yung game plan?
Actually, Mr. President, tama po kayo. Pagka tayo po ay lumilipad sa iba't ibang parte ng ating bansa, usually ang flight time average maybe an hour or even less. But because of waiting for landing permit time, nagiging 2 hours. Di ba?